Before going to video, what is economical material handling equipment in our industry? Hand pallet truck? Yes. But we have to give more time and effort to move such things, no? Yes, but year after no worry about that. Check that how. Hello everyone, I am Rakesh from Greentech India Material Handling and our sister concern MHE Bazaar. Today I am going to introduce a new generation electric pallet truck to our Indian market. Why this electric pallet truck is so exciting and hot in our market? Let me give a few of examples. First and foremost, 24 volt 20 amps lithium-ion battery. We know, this world knows the strength and advantage of lithium-ion batteries. Eco-friendly, durable, fast charging, and adding beauty to this, we are giving double battery backup to increase your backup. Next, one platform equal to 4 different chassis. Our truck platform-based designed to maximize the competitor advantage in the market, which simplifies configuration to the truck and allows the user to choose 4 different chassis by the application. And next, cost-saving operation throughout the distribution cycle. Our truck is easy to dismantle and assemble within a minute, so that we can save 30 to 40% by end user during the transportation, which is really helpful for the rental players who want to circulate a bulk of machine to one place to another place.
Hi all, let's have an emission-free day with newly launched E-HPT. So as Rakesh described about the feature and benefit of this truck, if you have any queries, please contact at Greentech India Material Handling. Thank you.
What you're waiting for? Contact us to lift your dreams by using our lifting leaders.